Ke skul pain maun shlong ke belang kawini ke skul ki bapau nambah ke jela. Nadu ki por ki beladep. Mentah kalau long ke skul ke belah hiar hadu kata. Kini ke skul ke belah penmiru shibun ki keluar jong ke jela. Nekat manang mi ki sngi kini ke skul kelanang hiar har komikai bat kam tam akar kompenya ya ka. Kada dua ke belah pelong ya ki Kmie ki paman pelong ke iakhih. Tang nak dau jong ke principal jong kani ke skul. Ri mentala mi saki Khynnah skul. Ki basang na do class 9 hado class 12. Ban mi shabar ban pelong ya ki iakhih da ka badeng lamayong mentaga sngi ka pratrik jong nai luar arajar arfuar. Madaw ban weng no ek principal ba kabiro ki jing dawa jong ki Khynnah skul. Khynnah skul kila dawa ban yo ya ki chikali shabar ke bakham khut. Kila dawaru ya ka library bat ki be ki jing kam ka kam Khynnah skul kila ong ba ki di hok ba yo. Nagi board punya skul ba kham tam nagi board sarkar.
Our girls are really lacking the facilities which they are entitled to. Classes 9 to class 12, we are standing here for the cause of the removal of the principal of Pine Mount School. We want our rights. We would like for there to be better facilities in our school, better toilets, a library, and many other facilities that we will make known later. But as for today, we stand here, the senior representatives of class 12 and class 9, 10 and 11 of Pine Mount School. We stand here today, we would like to say, please heed our request. There has already been an investigation committee prior. We have not seen the results. We would like for there to be a change in Pine Mount. We would like to see changes. Our girls have suffered long enough. We would like for there to be a change. We also request the help of the parents. Please help us. Solemn request to the government. Please, Sir Conrad Sangma and the other ministers who are watching, and the rest of the government as well. Please heed our request, sir. Please watch. We are the students of Pine Mount School on behalf of KG to class 12. We are requesting, please look into the grievances that have been committed against our school. Please look into the facilities that we do not have, that we are supposed to possess, that we are as citizens of India, as minors of the state and as young girls entitled to. They are our educational rights. So please, we hope that you will heed our request at the earliest possible. Thank you.